5 minutes is just not enough. I got only a vague idea what to do, but whoops. Where are we going there? Come on. All right. Yeah. I wasn't even sure. There we go. My day seems to be heading off the rails as it is. I wasn't really sure I'd be for doing this. And I may not be. Oh, wait. Whoops. Okay, this is already. Come on. There. Okay, I'm spending way too much time on this. Nope. Okay, let's bring this down a bit. So, way too much time. Alright, what else? Way too much time. Alright, let's try this. No, let's go down here first. Go down. Way too much time. Okay, that didn't find the way I wanted it to. So, maybe I won't even do the 5 minute. I don't know. We'll do this. Let's do that. Come on. Whoops. Okay, what do you about this? Hmm. All right, that was pointless. Oh, come on now, come on. Here we go. Okay, I think that'll about do that. And then we'll go ahead and type in just a minute. Come on. A little bit more. Oh, I forgot. Oh, fully. Oh no. Well, that's all right. Yeah. Okay, I forgot all about this. Yeah. Oops. Could I? He's doing slow on. I imagine it's gonna go there, but. Oh, that's not. Dude, it doesn't want to do it. Okay. It doesn't either. What? I don't know what's going on. All right. A little more over here. And then this stuff. Come on. Okay, and then let's see if we can. No, 40. That's not going to happen. Bring it down just a little bit over. Yeah, it's too late. Oh, wait, no, we want that. Okay. Come on. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to let it run over. I only got 15 seconds right now. I'll just let it go. Heck with it. Yeah, it's alright. Alright, and then bring this around. Oops, what happened? Yeah. There goes the timer. Okay, dismiss. I'm just gonna paint it through. Look with it. Oops. There we go. Okay. Do that. Bring this in here. That's one. Mm-hmm. Okay. Underneath. Do that. Okay, and then I shouldn't have done this stuff. What else? And we'll do this. I don't even know how long this is taking me now because I'm not even following it. Okay, oop, that's not going to work. Let's do that instead. Okay. Okay. Oops. Mm. Let's do this. Take it down. Oops. Oop. Nope. There. Oh, yeah, it did it again. Okay. Oops. Whatever. Here. Oopses. Lots of oopses. We'll just do that. Down more. And do this. Okay. Oop. Okay. What? Yeah, I don't know what to do with this over here. Okay. That was here. And that's okay. It just didn't want to come on. It's a different. I don't know. It didn't want to blend like it was. Yeah, I'll put a little bit of detail in here. This one, no, it's not tall enough. No. Let's go to the background and we'll add this stuff in here. Oh, should have more. Be brighter. What? What happened? That. That. There's some motorbikes out there. You kids. What? Now, what happened to you? Yeah. Shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts. Mm, all right. I think that's enough. Be done here in about a minute. Or so. Now what? 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 It's something else. All right. Tree. Oops. The tree. What do we do with the tree? Okay. Mm, um. Uh, yeah. I think that's enough. Right there. Oop. Oop. I said oop. Okay. And do a little bit more here. And take it down. Really darkly thing going on. All right. Well outside of 5 minutes. But I kind of don't care. I think that's good enough. I'll just leave it at this. I'll just need something a little bit more here. No. What? Anything else? Oop. All right. I'm going to leave it at that. Thanks. So this. Oop. Oop. Ew, give me something later, much later. I should do a faulty toast. Oh, I don't know why not. This just isn't working over here. But we'll have to leave it at that because I need to go now. All right. That's it for this one. That has got to be it. I think so. Here, take this down. Just all right. Something happened here. And that's for today. That's for today. Here, just a little bit more here. Oops. Could do a little vignetting, but a little bit of vignetting. All right, since I'm completely throwing out the rules here, if I should just what? Just flatten the image, and we'll do this is normal as color burn. Take it down a little bit. Oh, oh. On. I guess this too. I have the wrong color. Maybe. Nah. All right, never mind. See you next time. Okay.